Good morning. Today we are going to discuss some objective questions on mole concept. See the question number 1. The number of oxygen atoms present in 40 grams of SO3 will be. What is the molecular weight of SO3? 80 grams. Right? 80 grams SO3, that is equal to 1 mole. In 80 gram SO3, how many moles of oxygen present? 3 moles of oxygen present, right? 3 moles oxygen atoms. Now the question is, in 40 grams SO3, how many oxygen atoms present? Half amount, right? So 3 moles, 3 by 2, 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 mole oxygen atoms present. In 80 grams SO3, 3 moles oxygen atoms present. 80 grams means 1 mole. Sulfur 32, O3 48, 80 grams. Okay, so hence what is the right answer? 1.5 mole is the right answer. Option 3. Okay, next one. Question number 2. 1 gram atom of nitrogen may represents. You know what is 1 gram atom of nitrogen? Nothing but 1 mole nitrogen atoms or 0.5 mole N2 molecules. 1 mole nitrogen atom or 0.5 mole N2 molecules. So 1 gram atom of nitrogen represents option 1 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 N2 molecules. Wrong, because 0.5 mole N2 molecules. 1 gram atom of nitrogen 0.5 mole, but option 1 says 1 mole N2 molecules. So option 1 eliminated. Option 2, 22.4 liter of N2 at 1 atmosphere and 273 kelvins. That means STP conditions. So 0.5 mole N2 at STP occupies 11.2 liters of volume, right? Why? Because 0.5 mole N2. But in the option 2 given 22.4 liter. So that is also wrong, because 0.5 mole N2 molecules occupies 11.2 liter because of mole. Hence what is the right answer? Third option. Fourth option also wrong. Why? Because 28 gram nitrogen. 1 gram atom of nitrogen is equal to 1 mole nitrogen atom. 1 mole nitrogen atom, that is equal to 14 grams, not 28 grams. 28 grams N2, but 1 gram nitrogen atom represents 14 grams nitrogen only. Hence what is the right answer? Third option. Got it? Next one. Question number 3. Which of the following gas has maximum number of atoms? First of all, we have to find number of moles. Given 44.8 liter O3 at 1 atmosphere and 273 kelvins, nothing but STP conditions. We know 22.4 liters 1 mole O3, 1 mole O3 22.4 liters occupies at STP. Given 44.8 liters, how many moles? 1.5 mole O3. So 1.5 mole O3 is equal to how many moles of oxygen atoms? In 1 mole, 3 oxygen atoms present, right? 3 mole oxygen atoms. So in 1.5 mole, 1.5 into 3, that is equal to 4.5 mole oxygen atom. In the option 1, we are getting 4.5 mole oxygen atoms. Option 2, 49.26 liters of H2 at 1 atmosphere and 300 kelvins. For this, we should go with PV is equal to N or T. By using this formula, you will get N value. N is equal to PV by RT. Pressure given 1 atmosphere, right? 1. Volume 49.26. R value 0.0821. Temperature 300 kelvins. If you calculate this value, then you will get 2 mole. So 2 mole H2 molecules. So 2 mole H2 means that implies 2 into 2, 4 mole H atom. In the option 2, we are getting 4 mole H atoms. Option 3, same as above. PV is equal to nRT. Number of moles is equal to, here given pressure 2 atmosphere, volume 22.4, R value 0.0821, gas constant, temperature 546. If you calculate this value, we will get approximately 1 mole, which gas? O2 gas. 1 mole O2. That implies 2 mole oxygen atoms, right? Now option 4, fourth option, 11.2 liters of laughing gas, nothing but N2O, nitrous oxide. Okay, PV is equal to nRT. Number of moles is equal to N2O. This is O2 and this is H2. Okay, given pressure 4 atmosphere, volume 11.2 liter by R value 0.0821, temperature 273 by 2 means reciprocal, 2 into 2 by 273. that is equal to this value approximately 2 mole and 2 mole. In 2 mole and 2, how many atoms present? See, in 1 mole 3 atoms present, right? 2 mole N2 and 1 mole oxygen. So in 2 mole 2 into 3, that is equal to 6 mole. 6 mole atoms present. Hence, what is the right answer? Option 4. More number of atoms present. 6 mole atoms. Here 4.5 mole atoms, 2 mole atoms. Okay. So according to the question, option 4 is right answer. See the next question. The number of molecules of water in 333 grams of Al2SO4 thrice dot 18 H2O. 333 grams of Al2SO4 thrice dot 18 H2O. What is the question? In 333 grams of Al2SO4 thrice dot 18 H2O, how many water molecules present? First of all, we have to find in 1 mole how many water molecules present? 18 water molecules present, right? So 1 mole, this compound molar mass molecular weight is equal to 2 into aluminum 27, right? Plus sulfur 32, 3 into 32, oxygen 16, 4 3s are 12, 16 plus 18 into water molecular weight 18. If we calculate this one, you will get 666 grams. Molar mass of this compound 666 gram. Okay. So in 66 grams compound, how many water molecules present? 18 water molecules present means 18 mole H2O present. Now the given 333 grams, that means half of amount. That means 9 mole water, right? 9 mole water. That is equal to 9 into 6 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, then what is the right answer? 9 into 6 into 10 to the power 23. Option 2. Got it? So first of all, what you have to find? Molar mass. Molar mass of this compound 666 gram. In 666 gram, 18 mole water present, right? 18 mole. Then 333 gram. 9 mole water. 9 mole means 9 into 1 mole. 6 into 10 to the power 23. Hence option 2 is right. Got it? See the next question. 2 elements given. A and B are isotonic. Isotonic nothing but here isotonic solutions means osmotic pressure same. But here A and B are elements. Elements are isotonic means they are isotones. Same number of neutrons. You know what are isotones? Isotones means having same number of neutrons. Right? So A and B are isotones. That means both elements having same number of neutrons. Mass numbers A given 70, B given 72. Mass number, and the atomic number of B, atomic number of A given 34. Now what we have to find? Atomic number of B. Let's say atomic number of B X. This is mass number, this is atomic number. Mass number, atomic number. You know what is the formula for neutrons? Mass number minus atomic number, right? Number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z. Okay, so here A value 70 minus Z value 34, that is equal to A value 72, Z value X. So then X equal to 70 minus 34, 36, right? So 72 minus 36, that is equal to 36. Hence what is the atomic number of B? 36. Got it? So hence what is the right answer? Option 2 is the right answer. Okay, next one. The weight of 2 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of element which has atomic mass 30. That means 6 into 10 to the power 23 atoms weight is equal to 30 grams, right? Because given atomic mass 30. That means 1 mole atoms weight 30 grams. Gram atomic weight. Now the question is 2 into 10 to the power 23 atoms weight. That is equal to 30 by 6 into 10 to the power 23 into 2 into 10 to the power 23. Cancel. That is equal to 10. 10 grams, right? Then what is the right answer? Option 2. Okay. Next question. Number of moles of a gas in 1.12 ml at STP. 1.12 ml at STP. You know, 22,400 ml gas at STP. That is equal to 1 mole, right? 1 mole gas. Now given 1.12 ml gas at STP, that is equal to 1 by 22,400 into 1.12. If you calculate, then you will get 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 mole. Okay, hence what is the right answer? First option. Okay, 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 mole gas. Okay, next one. Then you will get, hence option 1 is correct. Got it? Next one. Next question. number of moles of 1 meter cube of air at STP. 1 meter cube of air at STP. You know, 1 meter cube equal to how many liters? 1000 liters. Okay, 22.4 liters air at STP. How many moles? 1 mole. Then 1000 liter at STP. 1 by 22.4 into 1000. That is equal to 44.65 mole. Then what is the right answer for question number? What is the right answer for that? 44.6. Option 2 is right answer. Got it? 1 meter cube air at STP. 1 meter cube nothing but 1000 liters. We know 22.4 liter air at STP 1 mole. So 1000 liter air. So 1000 by 22.4, that is equal to 44.6 mole. And so option 2 is the right answer.